Force and pressure. As I have told you and I have asked you what is force and what is pressure. I have even asked you to tell the relation between Newton and Dyne and the effect of force. Okay? So let us begin. What is force? Force is the push or pull which changes the position of body or tends to change the position of body. Unit of force in SI system is Newton and in CGS system is Dyne. So let me tell you, here I have got a telephone cradle or telephone handset. So right now, if this is my thumb, I'll provide a force from my thumb and the position of the handset is changing. It has changed. Now I will pull it. The position of the handset has again changed. This push, pull, and this push has changed the position, pull has changed the position. This is what is called, and something which is not in. What we are seeing is the change in the position, but we are not seeing the force. Thumb is applied or a hand is applied and it is moving. Why it is moving? Because force is applied. Okay? And the unit of forces in SI system is Newton, which is denominated with capital N. And in CGS system it is denominated by Dyne, D-Y-N-E, Dyne. Second part is relation between the Newton and Dyne. 1 Newton is equal to 1 kg into 1 meter per second square. वो जो फोर्स लग रहा है, फोर्स लगा ना, वो कैसे आप डिराइव करेंगे? तो 1 न्यूटन कितना होगा? 1 kg इंटू 1 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. तो 1 kg इज 1000 grams. 1 meter per second square is 100 centimeters per second square. Then what you will get? 1 lakh gram into centimeter per second square. That is 10 to the power of 5 Dyne. So 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power of 5 Dyne. So now second part is effects of the force. Okay? So now we are going to understand the effects of the force. In general, a force can produce the following 3 effects on an object. क्या होता है? एक सामान्यता जनरल पैटर्न में एक फोर्स, जब भी कोई फोर्स अप्लाई होती है, व्हेन यू अप्लाई अ फोर्स, देयर आर 3 थिंग्स दैट हैपन टू ऑन एनी ऑब्जेक्ट और विद एन ऑब्जेक्ट. इट कैन स्टार्ट और स्टॉप द मोशन. जब फोर्स लगती है तो वो चीज़ या तो चलेगी या रुक सकती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप साइकिल चला रहे हो, यू आर राइडिंग अ बाइसिकल. यू हैव अप्लाइड द फोर्स ऑन द पेडल and the bicycle is moving, and you have applied a force by brake, the cycle stops. Okay? So the first effect of force is it can start or stop the motion. Second, it can change the speed or direction of motion, or both the speed and direction of the motion. Force लगाया, अब you are riding a bicycle. There is a turn, and at the turn you have to control the force also. So आप रेस कर रहे हो तो आप पेडल पे ज़्यादा फोर्स लगाओगे तो स्पीड ज़्यादा होगी, आप कम फोर्स लगाओगे पेडल पे तो स्पीड कम होगी. आप ब्रेक पे फोर्स नहीं लगाओगे तो आपकी बाइसिकल बहुत आराम से चलेगी. आप ब्रेक पे फोर्स लगा दोगे तो आपकी बाइसिकल ब्रेक लग जाएगा. ठीक है? और आपकी साइकिल को आप व्हेन यू आर मूविंग ऑन अ साइकिल, so you have a handle, you are going to turn it towards the right, then you will apply a force towards right. You will push the force from left and pull towards the right. And likewise you can see on the mobile, I am putting a force on left, it is moving towards left. I am putting a force towards right, it is moving towards right. So when you apply a force in any direction, the moving body changes into that direction. Is that clear? Okay. Third, it can bring change in dimension, that is length, area and volume. For example, you take a balloon, you apply force of breath, air in it, you see the balloon expands. Okay, you take a bicycle tube, you pump air in it, force is applied and the tire expands, and you open the air valve. जब एयर वॉल्व खोल देंगे, you release the force, you apply a force, the air force is applied from tire and the air comes out of it. So with the force, the effect of the force on any object or anything can be of dimension, bring change in the dimension. Now the next was pressure. The pressure, small p, is defined as the magnitude of the normal force per unit area of wall of a pot or a point. ठीक है, अब जैसे प्रेशर लगा रहे हैं, जो इफ एट अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम कोई भी दो चीज़ का मास एक बराबर हो जाता है या जो भी होता है, प्रेशर लगाते हैं आप, कोई भी चीज़, मम्मी आटा गूंथती है, देखा है आपने, तो मम्मी उसमें प्रेशर लगाती है ना आटा गूंथते वक्त. So that is how, if you are bringing down something, you apply pressure on it, you apply force on it. So the pressure P is defined as the magnitude of the normal force per unit area. ठीक है, किसी भी एक जगह पर आप कितना पर यूनिट एरिया पे फोर्स लगा रहे हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज प्रेशर. प्रेशर स्मॉल p इज इक्वल टू फोर्स अपॉन एरिया, दैट इज capital A upon A. In CGS system, the unit of pressure is dyne per centimeter square, while the SI unit of the while in SI unit it is Newton per meter square. Okay, so today we have tried to understand force, relation between force and force, relation between the Newton and dyne, effects of force and pressure. Tomorrow we will try to know about the pressure of a liquid at any point. Okay, and Pascal's law. Okay, so right now this is, I have shown you the part of it, I have shown you the definition, you can write it down, you can make a note of force and pressure, you can try to memorize definition of force, effects of force, definition of pressure. God bless you kids, take care. This is Rajesh Pandey, your beloved Raju sir, signing off.